Day 272, meditation on indecisiveness. We need a minimum of courage in life in order to make decisions. But since it is not a good to decide things impulsively, a certain dose of indecision is also necessary, just enough to evaluate the situation correctly or to take advice from those who are better informed. So indecision is useful to an extent. But once we have weighed the pros and cons, we need the strength to make our decision whatever problems we will have to face. I have to admit that I do not always follow my own advice on this point. In meetings with the Kashag, the ministerial cabinet of the Tibetan government in exile, I have occasionally taken a decision on a topical issue, and then, after lunch, after thought has occurred to me, then I tell myself, I should have made a different decision. Peals of laughter. So, in this regard, I do not have much advice to offer.